not only my friends who shoot films, but also almost all of the internet agrees that this is the best film camera for beginners and professional alike. Hey, what's up guys? For today's video, I'm gonna share with you my thoughts on this wonderful camera. I've been using this camera for around 6 months now. It's bulkier than it looks lah. I bought it for around $400 from a seller in Carousel. Yeah, nice guy. He showed me the ropes as I told him that I don't have much experience on film photography. Even though I have a couple of film cameras, there's a lot for me to learn in film photography. As someone who started his photography journey using digital, this is not an easy thing for me to master over a week or so. Film, they have this feel and or vibe which digital cameras can't replicate. I mean, yes, you can with Photoshop or Lightroom put all those grain and tweak those colors, but nothing gives that film vibe from a film camera. I think to a certain extent it's the process. I think the whole process actually, from picking or buying your film stock, and then you load it into the camera, roll it, crank it, and press that shutter button, you're gonna rewind it and then send it for develop and scan. And it's not in an instant, you have to wait, the anticipation of waiting for your film to be developed. Photography is therapeutic for me. Film photography has made me enjoy it more. While I'm out there shooting films, I'm able to bask in the environment longer than having to just dip in a location and move on and repeat. When I was serious in looking for a film camera, I wanted it to be an SLR, long-lasting, built to last, can still be sent for repair, even though it has stopped production. Not that hard to find the lenses to couple with, and of course cheap. And Nikon F3 tick all the boxes. When I first use the camera, there's a minor learning curve that I need to know due to some old tech, like for example how to shoot a camera without having to have batteries inside, the double exposure, the self-timer. Even though the self-timer is not that important, who knows, one day I might need to use it, right? But other than that, it was quite straightforward for me. This camera have a spot metering, which is very useful for me, so I can just frame it and then take the exposure, press that spot metering button, and the camera will help me to pick the best shutter for the photo. You can shoot this camera on a waist level, provided that you purchase a waist level finder. Without it, it's a bit hard to actually focus and shoot without the waist level finder. But there's only one thing which I don't really like about the camera. is their flash mount. Their flash mount is specific to F3 only, and it is placed in an awkward position. I mean, it's not awkward lah. It's just the fact that I've been using cameras with flash mount at the top of the viewfinder, but for F3 it's beside it. Because of the flash mount is specific to F3 only, it's hard for me to find the adapter which I can use third-party flash to use with it. After months of shooting with this camera, I think I've leaned towards to shoot with film more than with my digital. But don't get me wrong, I still love my X100V. You know, even I plan to go out to shoot with film, I will still bring my X100V along. You know, that camera is so small, compact, and can just put it in my bag wherever I go. If you're someone who is beginner and want to start your film photography, I highly suggest this Nikon F3. Thank you everyone for watching this video right up till the end. If you really enjoyed this, give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more future content like this. And I do have a Instagram account. Follow me on Instagram if you want to see more photos which I shot from any cameras that I have. Thank you everyone, take care.